Did you know that we build exhibits at the Science Museum? We have thousands and thousands of square feet of workspace dedicated to building exhibits.
If you dream it, we can build it. You come to the Science Museum of Minnesota because you know that we can do it right. We have a team of over 50 people that are working in all areas of exhibit creation, from design, development, fabrication, installation, and then maintenance. What that allows us to do is really take a holistic approach to our process. We're all under one roof, which allows us to have a really streamlined process. When we have a question, our designers have a question, they can go down to our exhibit shop, work it out in real time with the fabricator.
One of the things we do really well here at the Science Museum is hammering down the interactive exhibits, making things that are robust and last a long time. It's not so easy because kids are going crazy on them all day.
From the start of a project, all of those voices are in the same room and we start to talk about what an exhibit might look like. Aesthetically beautiful, but also something that's going to be really robust, engaging, and fun for years to come. We work crafting an exhibit, just look and feel and content, and then start to play it into a larger gallery. We're storytellers, and everything that we're trying to do, get people excited about a topic, we found that it works better when you can tell a cohesive story throughout a whole space.
I see our visitors to the museum as part of our team. We are able to bring out the prototype on the floor and we get to test things out with real visitors. Super valuable not only for ourselves, but for our partners.
We have hundreds of thousands of square feet of exhibit space, and I can look at people firsthand. I can go on the floor and see how our real visitors interact with real exhibits.
We are looking to work with like-minded, mission-driven organizations. When we come together, it's really a fulfillment of both of our missions. The funds that we earn from this project work supports the scientists that are working here, doing real science here in the state of Minnesota, around the country, even the world. Supports our STEM education programs.
One of the most rewarding parts of our process and exhibit building is not exactly the final install. To me, that's not the end of an exhibit, but rather the beginning. Curriculums get built around them, programs, kids come and visit.
The general public usually doesn't know that we do this type of work, and we're actually one of the few museums left in the world who still does this. There's plenty of private firms doing great exhibit work, but they don't have a museum above them that they can bring exhibits up to. When you work with us, you're working with a real museum. You get to have your exhibits tested by real visitors before they're shipped to you and installed.